Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create a floral face effect in Canva. This is a very cool effect, so you can easily apply on your own images or for your client. So now let's get started, and I search here Instagram post and I select portrait, sorry, square. And it shows me different uh, templates, but I choose create a blank Instagram template. And that's it. After that we need an image, so I search here female model, and I think this one is good. Yes, that's good. First of all, I flip this image, and after that remove the background of the image. Remove background. The background is removing, so wait for some seconds. So the background is removed. After that press on apply button. So that's good. So as you can see, the background is removed. After that we need a background, so I click on photos, background, and search a good background for this image. No, that's not looking good. I think white background is good. After that I stretch the image. Now go to element and search here blob with shadow. Go to frames and this one. So that's it. First of all, uh, I think delete this and let's choose another one like this one. Yeah, that's good. After that rotate this to -20, and that's good, and place it here and increase the size according to your need. After that click on the image and press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to duplicate the image and put the image here, and in the blob, and after that again click the image and increase the size of the image. And you can see the blob effect is on. After that, go to elements and search here flowers, and graphics, and choose different types of flowers. I choose this one, click this, and reduce the size and set it to backward. After that, again select an image, a flower, and also set this to backward. Change the color. So select all, and that's it. Yes, so the floral face effect is applied. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn by giving these services on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.